Today we have discussed topic ancient history of Bihar. Stone Age site. Paleolithic sites have been discovered in Munger and Nalanda. Mesolithic sites have been discovered from Hazaribagh, Ranchi, Singhbhum and Santhal Pragna. Neolithic age items have been discovered from Chirand, Chechar, Champa and Taradi. Second, history of Bihar Mahajanpadaj Yug. In the later Vedic age, a number of small kingdoms emerged. 16 monarchies and republics known as Mahajanpadas stretched across Indo-Gangetic plains. Three Mahajanpadas were in Bihar, namely Magad, Ang and Vajji. Ang kingdom. It is mentioned from the first time in Atharvaveda. It comprised of present-day Khagaria, Bhagalpur and Munger. It was situated to the northeast of Magad Empire. Champa was the capital. It was established by King Mahagobind. It was also called Chennapo by Hwensang and Malni. Vajji kingdom, it consisted of 8 clans. The most important clans were Lichvi, Vide and Gyatrik. It was located in northern India. Capital of Vajji was located at Vaisali. It was considered world's first republican. Magad kingdom, it is mentioned for the first time in Atharvaveda. It extended from the Ganga in north to Vindhyas in south, Champa in the east to river Son on the west. Its capital was Girivarj or Rajgir, which was surrounded by hills on all sides by 5 hills. Later the capital was shifted to Patliputra. The Magad kingdom included Kosal, Vats and Avanti. It played an important role in the development of Buddhism and Jainism. Two of India's greatest empires, Maurya and Gupta, emerged in Magad. Pre-Mauryan dynasty under Magad Empire. First, Brihadarth dynasty. Brihadarth was the earliest known king Magda. He was elder son of Vasu, Kuru king of Chendi. His name has been mentioned in Rigveda. Jarasandh, son of Brihadarth, was the most famous king. Girivarj was the capital under Jarasandh. Hardak dynasty. Bimbisar, he founded the dynasty. He was a contemporary of Buddha. He established his capital at Rajgir. He expanded his empire through matrimonial alliance. Example, Kosala. He was also the first ruler in history of permanent forces. Ajatasattu, he killed his father Bimbisar to become the next ruler. Lord Buddha attended Mahaparinivar and Lord Mahavira also attended Moksha during his reign. First Buddhist council was conducted under the patronage at Rajgir. Udyan, he also killed his father Ajatasattu to become the next ruler. He founded the city Patliputra at the confluence of rivers Ganga and Son and made it his capital. Shishunag dynasty. Shishunag, he was the founder of the dynasty. He was a viceroy of Banaras. During this time, Magad had two capitals, Rajgir and Vaisali. He finally destroyed the resistance Avanti and brought to end 200-year rivalry. Kalasok, he shifted his capital to Patliputra and it continued as the capital of Magadha Empire onwards. Second Buddhist council was conducted under his patronage at Vaisali. Nanda dynasty. Mahapadmananda established the dynasty after killing last Shishunag ruler Nandivardhana. He was described Mahapadmapati. In Mahabodhivism, he was called Ugrasen. Dhananand was the last ruler of this dynasty and was the contemporary Alexander. Mauryan dynasty. Chandragupta Maurya, he founded the dynasty with the help of his mentor Chanakya. He was born as Maurya to a Sudra woman in court of Nalanda. In Mudra Rakshas, he is also referred as. As per Buddhist tradition, he belonged to Mauryan Kshatriya clan. He fought Seleucus Nicator, a general of Alexander, in 305 BC. He later sent Megasthenes to Mauryan court. Megasthenes wrote India describing Mauryan administration. The empire was divided into 4 provinces, each under one governor. According to him, Mauryan administration in Patliputra was under a council of 30 members divided into 6 committees of 5 members each. Patliputra has been referred to as Paliputra in Megasthenes Indica. Chanakya wrote it is considered a treatise on economics, political, foreign affairs, administration, military, warfare, and religion ever produced. Bindusar, he was also called by the Amritochets by Greek writers Mudrasar in Vaipuran and Semsri in Jaina. Next, Asoka, he came to power after killing 99 of his brothers, sparing only one. Kalinga War 260 BC, it is mentioned of Major Edict 13. After Kalinga War, Asoka embarrassed Buddhism under the influence of monk of Gupta. He came to be known as Babru inscription. Asoka is revealed as king of Magad. Third Buddhist Council 250 BC was convened by Asoka under presidency of Tissa in Patliputra. Sunga dynasty. Pushyamitra Sunga was the commander-in-chief of Mauryan armed forces. He overthrew the last Mauryan ruler. He led to persecution of Buddhists and resurgence of Hinduism. Two Aswamedh Yajna were held under his region with Patanjali as main priest. Ajodhya inscription of Dhandev. Agnimitra, son of Pushyamitra, was the hero of Kalidas drama. Gupta Empire. The most striking difference in administration of Guptas from Mauryas was that in Mauryas power was centralized while in Gupta's power was decentralized. Empire were divided into provinces and each province was further divided into districts. Villages were the smallest unit. Sri Gupta was the founder of the Gupta dynasty. Chandragupta first, he was the son of Ghatochak, son of Sri Gupta. He was the first king of the title. His empire included Bengal, Bihar and Uttar Pradesh. He married Lichvi Princess Kumar Devi. Gold coins were issued to commemorate this event. Samudgupta, Prayag inscription by Harisen was dedicated to him. It was discovered by a trader. It is written in Sanskrit language. He was called Napoleon of India for his conquest by Vincent Smith. He gave permission to Sri Lankan under Meghavarman to construct a monastery at Bodh Gaya. He was also known as Kaviraj for his patronizing of arts. Chandragupta II Vikramaditya. He killed his brother and married his widow. He used friendly relations and matrimonial alliance to extend his empire. Navratra present the court where first Kalidas, second Sanku, third Amar Singh, etc. Fayan, a Chinese traveler, visited during his reign. Kumar Gupta, he established the Nalanda University which became a center of learning. Skandgupta, and last Pal Empire. They were the followers of Mahayans and Tantric school of Buddhism. This is the ancient history of